We're back in central Illinois on June 20th, 2025 to see fast trains on Amtrak's high-speed rail corridor. First up, we see Amtrak 319, a daily service which goes from Chicago to Kansas City. It is now August 10th, 2025, and we once again see Amtrak 319 speeding through town. Moving on to the night of March 18th, 2026, we see Amtrak 307, the night Lincoln service from Chicago, traveling to St. Louis.